Hey guys, okay, so today we're talking about your body's identity and the identity of every body part. So first of all, your body's overall identity could be either I'm sick, or I'm old, or I'm alive and I'm vital and I'm radiant. And that sense of self radiates a frequency to all your body parts. Next, we are going to look at the identity of every single body part. So what's super fascinating is that before a person will lose a body part, through cancer or amputation or some operation, that body part will have been traumatized, and the impact of that trauma is that it loses its sense of self and its connection to its purpose. And that can go on for quite a long time before it becomes clear, like, we need to remove this. So that can be happening for any one of us. We might have gone through some trauma and suddenly, oh, my heart's lost its purpose. And that obviously is going to lead to like heart disease or heart attack or all those heart things. So we want to get all of these body parts reconnected to their purpose and reconnected to a powerful identity so that it can feed the whole system and be really healthy and be really vital and strong. Years ago, I worked with a client who had muscular dystrophy, and he could not walk very well or move his arms very well. And when I tuned into him, I said, your heart, it's really, really tiny. What's going on there? And he said, 20 years ago, I had a session with a psychic or something, and she said to me, your heart is really, really small and contracted. But I ignored it because I thought it was kind of new age silliness. So by ignoring it, it had this impact on the whole of his body because the heart is such a central place that generates so much identity and vital force for health and for the whole body. So by then it was quite a serious situation. So in the workshop, we want to make sure that we address this early, that we get everybody reconnected to their mission and their purpose, and this creates a much stronger body. So if you're free on September 13th, join us for the online workshop. There is actually a replay if you're not free, and I will see you there. Okay, guys, bye.